Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Fusion airbag light on issue and the likely reasons behind it. An airbag warning light illuminated in the Ford Fusion is commonly described as a steady or intermittent airbag indicator on the dashboard, sometimes accompanied by warning messages related to the supplemental restraint system. Reviewed restraint system documentation and safety system design information indicate that airbag warning concerns can occur across multiple Ford Fusion model years, depending on sensor configuration, wiring layout, and control module logic. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves sensor input irregularities. The airbag system relies on multiple sensors to monitor crash readiness and occupant conditions, and abnormal or missing signals can trigger the warning light. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring and connector integrity. Loose connectors, damaged wiring, or poor contact under seats or within the dashboard can interrupt communication between airbag components and the control module. Airbag control module logic is also a documented factor. If the module detects data outside expected parameters or identifies a fault during self-checks, it may illuminate the warning light and disable the system as a safety precaution. Seat-related components are another verified consideration. Components associated with seat position or occupancy sensing can influence airbag system status if readings are inconsistent. Electrical power supply behavior is an additional confirmed aspect. Voltage irregularities or power interruptions can affect restraint system monitoring and trigger a warning indicator. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, seating configuration, or prior interior or electrical repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include scanning the vehicle for restraint system diagnostic codes, inspecting wiring and connectors associated with the airbag system, verifying sensor input data, and checking electrical power supply stability. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and restraint system-specific requirements. In conclusion, Ford Fusion airbag light on issues are typically associated with sensor input irregularities, wiring or connector problems, control module logic behavior, seat-related component signals, or electrical power conditions. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation, model year, and system configuration, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.